Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook chicken and creamy mushroom sauce. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video so you can list all the ingredients. First, season chicken breast with salt and ground black pepper. You may cut the chicken on whatever thickness you like. Personally, I prefer it to be 1/2 inch in thickness. Make sure to season both sides of the chicken so it will be more flavorful. Let's start cooking. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Once the cooking oil is hot, add the seasoned chicken. Fry the chicken until it turns golden brown in color. Once the chicken is done, set it aside first. Melt butter in a pan. Once the butter is melted, add garlic. Saute garlic until you can already smell its aroma. Add chopped onion. Saute onion until it turns translucent or semi-transparent. Add button mushrooms. Saute mushrooms for about 30 seconds. Add ground black pepper, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and water, chicken cubes, and all-purpose cream. Stir until all ingredients are well blended. After stirring, cover and simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, add the fried chicken breast. Stir and submerge the chicken in the sauce. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes or until desired sauce thickness. After 3 minutes, your chicken and creamy mushroom sauce is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!